and welcome to the Sound of Yankee Homestead. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. So today I am going to be making tamarind balls. Tamarind balls is one of my favorite childhood things. I remember going to school and having $5 and getting a tamarind ball. You pinch it when you eat it. It was a great snack at the time. And I'm feeling for some tamarind ball, and I don't think Hun ever had any tamarind ball, so I am going to be making this childhood snack, and hopefully Hun like it. So stay tuned. So things you're gonna need for the tamarind ball: you're gonna need tamarind. You're going to need a garlic clove. I have 2 garlic clove, a pinch of salt. You can use wary pepper, but this is one of the hottest pepper I have in the fridge right now. I've had this for quite some time. It's very spicy. You're going to need some brown sugar. And I also have some sugarcane sugar. So I'm going to be mixing the two. And then because this is not tamarind paste, you see it's still in the shell. So we're going to have to break this out of the shell. And then once we break it out of the shell, we're going to put it here into my KitchenAid. And we're going to use my KitchenAid to blend it and mix it up together. So we're going to start first with the tamarind. We're going to go ahead and break this up. It comes out easy just like this. See? And then you just pull these veins apart because you don't want that. And then you just make sure you get all the skin off. And if you don't, that's fine. You'll find it when you're eating the tamarind ball. And this is what the tamarind looks like without the shell. Just going to go ahead and throw it in there. And we're going to do the same for all the others. So growing up, I used to love going at one of my aunts. She had a huge tamarind tree in her front yard. When I say huge, this thing was huge. Not even couple, years old. Probably was older than I am. And it always used to drop a lot of tamarind. And we would make tamarind drink. You guys will call it tamarind juice, but we'll make tamarind drink with it. Tamarind syrup, which I'll make one of these days. It's really good. But today we're just focusing on the tamarind ball. Tamarind drink is so good as well. That I'll make some other time. So we have all the tamarind shell, and this is what it looks like in here. I think you can see with the camera. Yep, this is all of it in here. So now we're going to go ahead and start adding our ingredients in here. But before we do that, we're just going to go ahead and put that on, and we're going to turn it. Oh. And we're going to do medium speed on this, and that'll do it. Woo! Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to add a pinch of salt. And I'm going to add some water to this too, because it's trying to get the mixer off. So just a pinch of salt or 2, I know. And then we're going to take our garlic, and we're just going to put it in here. That works. There we go. We got it. Just have that minced garlic is going to add some flavor to it. We're just using 1 garlic. And we're going to go ahead and put some of this hot sauce just for a little kick. Just a little bit, because this is very hot. I mean, that was a lot. It'll be fine. And then we're going to go ahead and get started with percent of the sugar in the raw. I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 cups, 1 cup in here. Then I'm also gonna pour just a splash of water. Then we're gonna try mixing this all up once again. Hopefully the mixer doesn't run out. Alright, so this is what we have so far. I don't know how much you can see with the camera. See, it's forming into a nice paste. And I think we're about where we need to be with this. So what we're going to do next, we're going to go ahead and start making it into a ball. Alright, so our next step is going to be making this into a ball. So just like if you're doing bread, just flour your pan a little. So we're going to sugar our plate. And then we're going to reach in and we're going to grab a small bit. And then we're going to take the sugar. We're going to dab it in the sugar. And this is great if you have kids, to have them come and give you a hand. And you're going to just twirl it into a ball with the sugar. And this is a great little thing to do with your kids if you have kids, or just with any kids, because it's a yummy snack after all. It's got the sugar, it's got the vitamin C, and you don't have to put the pepper in there if you're going to be having it with kids. And this is what your ball looks like when you're done. You put that there. So there you have it, Tamarind balls. Yummy. A great childhood snack of mine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but before I go, let's go ahead and try one of these. Yay. Here we got a little bit of vine from when we were doing the Tamarind ball. It's good. It's not bad. Yes, this definitely reminds me of my childhood days. I can taste a little hint of garlic in here. Fresh garlic. Not overpowering at all. You don't want your Tamarind ball to be overpowering with garlic, because then you're going to have that garlicky breath. So just a little hint of garlic. And it also has a little kick to it, but not too bad. And there goes the sour part. Just like a Sour Patch. I can feel my jaw clenching. Just like a Sour Patch, but it's very good. Is it see? But it's a good snack. Very good snack. And I really think Connie is going to enjoy this too. You'll say there's a lot of sugar, but to be honest, you can't really tell because it's so blended and it doesn't taste overpoweringly sweet. It just gives a great, it contrasts great with the fresh tamarind. Yeah, sorry you guys can't try it, but however, you can try making it yourself and let me know. Again, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to share and like and hit that bell icon there in the top of your page so that you can get instant notification every time we post a new video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.